Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune for Scorpio. The Judgment card. Scorpio people, it seems like you are experiencing the best time of your life, and if not, then it is about to come. Your best time is about to come. Okay, all your sorrows, all your tears, all your fears are about to dissolve. Something new, something fortunate, something unbelievable is about to start in your life. Okay, and when it comes to relationship thing, I can see that, or I can feel that some of you must be feeling fortunate enough to meet your person. Okay, so everything, whatever was going in a bad direction in your life, all the things has started aligning in your life one more time. Okay, so you are going to experience the best time of your life. Okay, so we have the Judgment card. This is your partner's card, Scorpio. It seems like your person is going through a lot of exploration. Okay, they must be they must be doing a lot of investigations, or I would say they are talking to their they must be thinking about you. Yes, they are thinking about you, Scorpio. They are thinking about you. It seems like whatever you guys had spoken to each other, whatever you guys had done with each other, they must be thinking about you, that why the Scorpio has done this with me, either good or bad. Okay, so they are exploring things, they are analyzing things, they are introspecting their own feelings too. It is not that they are just analyzing your emotions, your feelings, uh, your conversations. They are they are thinking about their emotions as well. Okay, so a lot of analyzing is happening at their end. Now let's see, Scorpio, what is the mutual energy between you and your person. Aloneness. Okay, there is a good news for both of you, Scorpio, and your partner. It is very, I'm sure that both of you had been through a lot of tough time in your life. Okay, you must have been experienced the worst relationship in your past, and both of you must have been through a lot of guilts and all that. But with this card, aloneness, it seems like both of you are going to experience the divine light. Okay, this is the reason you have got this Wheel of Fortune card, and this is the reason your person is introspecting their thoughts and your thought, your they are thinking about you as well. Okay, so eventually and gradually both of you are leading towards some brightness in this relationship. Okay, perhaps you guys are not aware about this thing, or perhaps there was a lot of conflicts in past between you, but I'm seeing that both of you are going to experience the divine light. Okay, now let's see, Scorpio, what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. Okay, so with this Trust card, your person sees you as somebody that you are someone who completely believes in divine processes and universe and God. You are somebody who is spiritually awakened. All right, and this is the reason they see you as they see you as somebody who is always ready to take a leap of faith, because you believe in God. Okay, and somewhere somehow you are also taking a leap of faith with this person, Scorpio, with with your person. Okay, you are not sure whether this person is going to protect you or not, but you believe in your God, you believe in divine, you believe in divine timing, you believe in angels, you believe in universe, and you know that if I jump, somebody as in God will save me. Okay, and perhaps you are someone, I mean your person is somebody, I mean they are somebody who has been sent by God to save you. All right, the first card is maturity, the current action. It seems like your person is, as I told you, that they are introspecting a lot of things, their emotions and your talks and your conversations and your behavior. So I'm seeing that they are about to experience the maturity. Okay, it is not that they are taking any action towards you, but yes, they are, you know, gaining more and more and more and more wisdom gradually. The more they think about you, the more they uh, you know, analyze your talks, analyze your behavior, the more they introspect their own talks, own behavior towards you, they are getting maturity day by day. Okay, so from within they are, you know, feeling refreshed, they are feeling uh, I mean they are feeling very very good, but I'm not seeing any actions from their end from towards you. Okay, and for some of you Scorpio, I'm seeing that your person must be feeling regretful in future, because you are someone who is experiencing the fortune. Okay, you are experiencing the best time of your life. Perhaps they are not, perhaps they won't be clear in future as well. Perhaps this maturity cycle is not going to end for them soon, so they'll be feeling sorry about something, they'll be feeling sorry, they'll be more guiltful, they'll be more fearful, they'll be more sorry, and you know they will feel more bad. Okay, and this is the reason they won't, I'm not seeing that they are taking any action towards you in future as well. But somewhere somehow both of you are on the same page. They'll take little more time to come forward and open their heart, but they will for sure come. Okay, so you need not to lose faith in divine or divine order. All right, okay. So Scorpio, it seems like some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. And yes, so Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you and goodbye.